Yes, let's buy XRP Ripple right on the LBANK Exchange. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton. I'm the captain. Click on the link below to get registered for you can start buying LBANK today. Now, after you register, very simple, I'm going to go to buy crypto, credit, and debit card. If you don't have USDT, this is the place to go to buy the USDT. So I can buy $200 worth of this because I'm going to need this to swap for XRP Ripple. After I buy this, now if you need additional information here, if you have USD from somewhere else, you can get it sent to this address. You can find it under wallet, earn, and look for deposit, okay? And then you'll select these areas if you're looking for ERC20. So that means if you got your USD from Coinbase or Binance, Crypto.com, you can get it sent to your LBANK account under these parameters. Now, after you have your USDT in your possession, in your account, come to trade. I'll go over here. Trade, spot trading, okay? So you come here. From here, you just see numbers and you'll see a graph and more. From over that search bar, which is so important, type in XRP, look for the trading pair of USDT. Make sure it says XRP USDT. You click on that, and then now you're ready to buy XRP Ripple USDT. Now from down here, it says limit. So that means you can go ahead, put your price in or how many XRP you want. So if I say I just want 2 XRPs, that's what I can do. If I say I wanted 0.5 XRP, that's how much it would charge my account, okay? And I just buy. The USDT is what I have in possession. So make sure you have USD that shows up right here before you move on, and it's under limit. We're keeping it simple. After you're ready to sell your XRP, you come over here to the same areas. Let's say I want to sell that 0.5. It'll go back to my USD account, and I can find that under what we were talking about earlier, under your earn account, earn, deposit, withdraw. You find it all there. That's XRP. That's how you buy LBANK on the LBANK Exchange. My name is Adam Shelton. I'm the captain. I'll see you in the next video.